Good morning, children. Today we will do word problems in the money chapter, that is exercise 7.4. Everybody please open your books. Let us read the first sum together. Nisha's mother bought vegetables for rupees 167, fruits for rupees 235 and pulses for rupees 184.50. How much did she spend in all? So children, you know, at home also you have seen your mother or father, they go to the market, they bring vegetables, fruits, and from the grocery shop also they bring pulses and all this. So same year, Nisha's mother went to the market, she bought 3 things: vegetables, fruits and pulses. The question is, how much did she spend in all? You all know that in all means we have to do addition. Yes, we will do addition. Okay, so first let us write the statement. Children, when you are practicing these sums in your copy, please write statement and practice, because this will help you in your future and it will help you in formation of sentences also. Okay, this is very important. When you are doing it in your copy, write statement and then do the word problems. So let us see the first one. Look at the board. See. Here I have written Nisha's mother bought. So what did she buy? She bought vegetables for rupees 167, fruits for rupees 235 and pulses for rupees 184.50. So I have to find out she spent in all. So I will write she spent in all, put the rupees sign. Now I will do my addition. So when I do my addition, here I get 0 and here 5. Remember to put the dot. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 7 is 16. Write 6, carry 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Write 8, again carry 1. Now 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So how much did Nisha's mother spend? Nisha's mother spent rupees 586.50. Okay children, now let us go to the second one. Children, now we will read the second one. Simi bought a bell for her bicycle. So many of you have bicycles. You know there is a bell which you ring. Okay, so Simi bought a bell for her bicycle for rupees 80.50 and paid rupees 125.50, and her cycle was having some problems also. For that she repaired her cycle, and for repairing her cycle, how much did she pay? She paid rupees 125.50. How much did she spend in all? So Simi did 2 things. One, she bought a bell for her bicycle, and second is she repaired her bicycle. So for the first one she paid. Let us see here. See, Simi bought a bell. A bell she bought for rupees 80.50. She bought a bell. And she repaired for rupees 125.50. So we have to find out she spent in all. So you all know that when we have to find out in all, we have to do addition. We will do addition, okay? So here 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I will write 0, put a dot, carry 1. Okay children? Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. Again write 0, carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how much did she spend in all? She spent in all rupees 206. Now let us go to the next one. Children, now we will go to number 3. Rahul has rupees 279.50 paise with him. So Rahul, he has some money with him. How much money? Rupees 279.50 paise. He went to buy a shirt. But he cannot buy with 279 rupees 50 paise. He cannot buy a shirt. He needs some more money. How much money he needs? He needs rupees 466 paise, 66 rupees and 25 paise. He needs rupees 466.25 paise. What is the cost of the shirt? Okay, so Rahul has with him some money. Rahul has little money with him. How much? 279 rupees 50 paise. But he cannot buy the shirt. Why? Because he needs some more money. How much? Rupees 466 and 25 paise. That means what is the cost of the money of the shirt? What is the cost of the shirt? Let us find out. Okay. So Rahul has rupees 279.50. Okay. He needs more. How much he needs more? He needs more 466.25 paise. Cost of the shirt. So therefore, what is the cost of the shirt? Rahul has this money. He needs this money more to buy the shirt. So let us see. 5 and 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Put a dot. 6 plus 9. It is 15. Write 5. Carry 1. 6 plus 7. 13. 13 plus 1. 14. Write 4. Again carry 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is what? This is the cost of the shirt. Rupees 745.75 paise. 745 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, children? Children, now we will do the last one. That is number 6. Jeevan bought a toy for his sister which cost rupees 1850. So Jeevan, a boy, he bought a toy for his little sister and the cost of the toy is rupees 1850. He gave the shopkeeper 20 rupees. The cost of the toy is only 18 rupees 50 paise. But Jeevan did not have change, so he gave rupees 20 to the shopkeeper. Question is, how much money did he get back? First of all, understand that the cost of the toy is less and the money which Jeevan gave the shopkeeper is more. So naturally, the shopkeeper will give back the extra money. So how much is that money? For this, we will do subtraction. And children, always remember that when we do subtraction, we have to write the bigger number on the top. So here there are two numbers in this word problem. One is rupees 1850 and the other is rupees 20. So you all can understand that 20 is the bigger number. So we will write that first. And we will write the statement with 20 rupees also first. So what is the statement? That 20 rupees is what? It is how much Jeevan gave the shopkeeper. So look at the board. See, I have written Jeevan gave. Jeevan gave how much? 20 rupees. Cost of the toy is rupees 1850. Now he got back. How much he will get back? When it is get back, I have to do subtraction. So 0 minus 0, I will write 0. From 0, can I minus 5? No. So I am borrowing from this 0. But this is also 0. So from where will I borrow? I will borrow from this 2. From this 2, I take 1. This becomes 10. Again from 10, I take 1. This becomes 10. So this becomes 9 and this 2 becomes 1. So now I can do 10 minus 5 is 5. This is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And now here it is 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So Jeevan got back from the shopkeeper how much rupees? He got back 1 rupee 50 paise. So these are, children, some of the word problems which I showed you. There are few more. You try to do them by yourself. In the next class, that is my online class, the live class, if you cannot understand, you will ask me the questions. And I will try to show you these word problems again on the online classes. Okay, children? Bye.